Welcome back, guys. It's Todd from Greenpoint. Do you have unsightly gaps in your staircase or where your door casing comes down and meets your floor? Things that you see every time you look at the floor? Well, you know what? Greenpoint has an answer for you. We have this product called Rite wood match caulking. Comes in 98 colors. We stock all of the popular colors right here at Greenpoint, and it's super easy to use. Get yourself just a simple caulk gun. They're about $12 for a basic caulk gun. The caulk runs around $12 a tube. Put it in there, cut the end off, and when you squeeze this handle here, the caulk will start coming out. So get it down close to your crack and squeeze it, leave a little thin bead along that edge, and then take your finger, wipe it off, get a damp rag and wipe off the excess, and you'll have a beautiful filled line that you'll never see again. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click just down below and follow our YouTube channel to see more helpful videos regarding wood flooring. Thanks again.